I'm in need of a glow up, both physically and mentally. I need one because I've been struggling. Been struggling with self-image. I've been struggling with self-confidence. And I know this ain't ugly. I know I ain't ugly. So I just need to snap out of my If you look cute, you feel cute, if you get what I'm saying. So we're gonna do this thing. Put on a cute outfit. Clean my room. Because it's disgusting. And we're gonna get all cute for no reason, and it's gonna be fantastic. So join me in this journey. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is clean up this room because it's atrocious. Girl, when I tell you filming with one hand is so difficult, I kid you not. I'm gonna go for something kind of casual, but super cute at the same time. So we'll see. Okay, my makeup is done. I don't think I'm gonna do anything crazy with my hair, but we'll see. Okay, so I basically just took it out of the claw clip that I had it in and messed with my fringe, the face framing pieces, and that's the physical done. This is what my makeup looks like in natural lighting. I just realized I forgot to put setting spray on, so I'm using the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Spray. And here's the outfit I picked out. I think it's cute. Now I have to clean up the mess that I made on my desk. Let's do that. Now I have to wait for another hour and like 15 minutes until that's done. Oh, meet my little buddies. They're so cute. In one of my recent shorts, you guys commented and asked where I got them, and I got them from Disneyland. I got this one first, and then my boyfriend really wanted one, so he got one for himself. So now whenever we're gonna go to Disneyland, we're gonna have something to match. It's so cute. In case this is the end of the vlog, I just want to say thank you for watching all the way to this point. If you did, go ahead and comment any flower emoji or your favorite anime. Comment your favorite anime and we'll talk in the comments about it. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. You guys deserve it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, Smelly.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry 이상 너와 the two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너